A very important feature for IoT platforms is multi-tenancy. And Datacake has a pretty easy and fast way of creating separate spaces for your customers, employees, or projects. So for example, if you're an integrator and need to have or host different workspaces for your customers, for example. So I've created a short demo on how this works. This here is a brand new account, a different account from all my other accounts. And this here is the workspace selector, so the multi-tenancy selector. And there you find the option to create new workspace. Let's call this new workspace and presenter. The workspace is being created and it's completely empty, but you are invited as a member into it because you created it. So you're the administrator, and you can invite additional members here simply by entering their email address. And if you want to share devices between workspaces, so like you create a workspace for your customer and you've created some devices in your office and then you want to send them to your customer, you can do this on multiple ways. You can let your customer do the hard work, but if you've already done the hard work, we've got an option to provide a claim code so that your users can access those devices as well. Let's take my pool monitoring device here. There's a serial number. I'm just going to copy it. And here's an option which says that this device can be claimed into a separate workspace, into other workspaces. Let's provide an easy workspace here so I can remember that during this very, very long video. And if we now go into the newly created workspace, which could be for your customer, whatever, he can now press Add Device. And in Add Device, you'll find a pin code section. So let's paste the serial number and simply enter the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as pin code. And when we press Add Device, what now happens is that that device is now inside the workspace of your customer. So this means that you can bypass the billing things, the plan things, create devices on your own and send them to your customers. If we go back into devices, to refresh this once more, you can see that device, but also let's go back into the original workspace. Just because of thinking that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not a safe pin code. Yes, it is not a safe pin code, but claiming. As soon as somebody claims that device, the option is disabled. And you've got to enable it proactively once more if you want others to claim that. And the customer could also override that pin code. And this way you can easily share devices between workspaces to your customers. You can set them up on your side, put a sticker or logo or whatever, and send that easily to your customer. Workspaces, so the multi-tenancy feature, you can also change the logo here, that it's not Datacake, that it's like something else. And yeah, you can invite members, you can have your own devices, and you can create dashboards and stuff like that. So yes, multi-tenancy is pretty important, and this is the Datacake approach on delivering multi-tenancy inside your workspaces and for your devices. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.